Okay, here you can see a spot beam where the spot optics is not well centered above the LED. We now want to adjust this with simple tools. You just have to unscrew all the screws. Glass is unscrewed, we take it off, and then we take a knife and just go in between the optics and the glass. Now inside there is this small white spacer that we can take off. It must be well placed. So you see here on the optics this small part here. Normally it's best when we place that directly against the wall here. Gives normally the best result. And then you take the glass with only 2 screws, because you should not, when you put it back, you should not move it sideways, just upside down. So like this, don't move it around. And with a screwdriver you slightly put in 2 screws like this, and then we have a look at the result. At the end you should obtain something like this, which is quite okay. Leaves you just with the task to put back on all the screws. Just don't over tighten them, because this could harm the glass. Just firmly tight like this. That's it.